Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest gear for your machines. Today, we're taking a close look at the All Balls Racing 26-1458 Carburetor Rebuild Kit, specifically designed for the Kawasaki KX250F from 2004 to 2005. If you're a Kawasaki enthusiast like me, maintaining peak performance is crucial. That's why I've been eager to test out this Carburetor Rebuild Kit. Known for its quality craftsmanship and performance, the All Balls Racing Kit promises to breathe new life into your engine. Let's dive into what makes this kit stand out. It's crafted with precision, meeting or even exceeding OEM specifications. This means you're getting parts that fit perfectly and deliver optimal performance. Whether you're hitting the trails or the track, reliability is key, and this kit delivers. One thing I immediately noticed is the build quality. These aren't just your average replacement parts. They're designed to be 100% brand new aftermarket units, ensuring durability and longevity. No shortcuts here, just solid engineering that you can trust. When it comes to performance, this kit doesn't disappoint. It's engineered to enhance throttle response and overall engine efficiency. Whether you're tackling tough terrain or pushing for that extra edge in competition, you'll feel the difference with every twist of the throttle. Now, let's talk about installation. Even if you're not a seasoned mechanic, you'll appreciate how straightforward it is to install this kit. The instructions are clear, and the parts fit together seamlessly. It's designed for hassle-free maintenance, so you can spend less time wrenching and more time riding. Another standout feature is the customer support. All Balls Racing stands behind their products with a solid 1-year warranty. If you encounter any issues, they're committed to making it right. That kind of assurance is invaluable when you're investing in your machine's performance. Wrapping it up, the All Balls Racing 26-1458 Carburetor Rebuild Kit is hands down one of the best options out there for Kawasaki owners looking to maintain peak performance. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a serious racer, this kit deserves a spot in your toolbox. If you're ready to take your Kawasaki's performance to the next level, click the link in the description below to get your hands on the All Balls Racing 26-1458 Carburetor Rebuild Kit today. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more gear reviews and tech tips.